How does ACV affect collision coverage payouts? Imagine your car gets into an accident and you need to file a claim. You might wonder how much money you will get back. That depends on a few key things, especially the actual cash value of your vehicle. Actual cash value is what your car is worth right now, not what you paid for it or what it would cost to replace. It takes into account how old your car is, how much it has been driven, and its condition before the accident. When you have collision coverage, which helps pay for damage caused by a collision, the payout is usually based on this actual cash value. So if your car is worth less because it's older or has high mileage, your payout will be lower. If the damage is minor and costs less than the actual cash value, your insurer will pay for repairs minus your deductible. But if the damage is so severe that fixing the car costs more than a certain percentage of its value, the car is considered a total loss. In that case, the insurance company pays you the actual cash value of the car minus your deductible. This means you might not get enough to buy a new car, especially if your vehicle has depreciated a lot. The insurer calculates the actual cash value by looking at factors like the car's age, how many miles it has, its condition before the accident, and what similar cars are selling for in your area. Because of depreciation, older cars tend to have lower actual cash values, which means lower payouts. If you want to avoid a big gap between what your insurance pays and what you need to replace your car, you might consider extra coverages like gap insurance or new car replacement. These can help cover the difference between the actual cash value and the cost to replace your vehicle with a new one. Remember, your collision coverage payout is always reduced by your deductible. For example, if your car's actual cash value is $10,000 and your deductible is $1,000, the most you will get for a total loss is $9,000. Knowing how actual cash value affects your collision coverage helps you understand what to expect if you ever need to make a claim. It's a good idea to review your policy and consider additional coverages if you want more protection for your vehicle's current worth.